welcome to Medex Physiotherapy. Today I am going to explain an exercise we can control the hiccups. The hiccups, when it comes to hiccups, is the causes. There are a lot of so many causes. One is excessive food intake, excessive alcohol intake, or excitement. These are the causes for the hiccups. And there are some other causes also. There is due to pathological disease, if they have some tumor or the damage to the phrenic nerve or irritation to the phrenic nerve, and these are the causes for the hiccups. Which muscle causes the hiccups? When it comes to muscle, there is a diaphragm. There is a muscular layer is present between the lungs and the abdominal content. That muscle got irritated and it will produce involuntary contractions. That involuntary contractions produces the hiccups. So this involuntary contraction takes by irritation of the phrenic nerve or the vagus nerve. So how we can control these hiccups? Through exercise. I am going to demonstrate a very simple exercise so that we can control the hiccups through this method. I am just showing that exercise. The first thing we have to do, we have to lie down straight. Then after that, we have to elevate both the legs. And the abdominal content moves towards the diaphragm, and the diaphragm involuntary contractions will subside. This is one method. And another exercise, we have to fold the knee and breathe normally. And this exercise in yoga is called as Sarvangasana. And this is one of the best exercise to control the hiccups within 2 minutes. And just follow this exercise to control the hiccups. And thanking you for watching this video. And please subscribe our channel and share this video.